Ako po, bilang isang Pilipino, na nababahala sa ganitong mga wala na yatang katapusang iringan ng palitan ng sagutan sa bawat panig. Ako po ay naniniwala na ito po ay hindi nakakatulong sa dalawang bansa. What did we gain strategically in terms of national interest? Meron po ba?
Your Honor, I cannot answer on that.
Hindi, sa panukat mo lang.
Sir, being a member of the armed forces, we are voicing out the term RCs, our rights and our future, and we just stick to what is being dictated in our what is legally ours and what is stated in our law, sir.
Itong napakadaling intindihin, hindi ko maintindihan kung bakit ayaw intindihin ng lahat ng may concern dito. Lalong-lalo na po kayo. Dapat nalaman nating lahat ito. Kaya dapat po mas interesado kayo kaysa sa amin. Ano ba talaga yung pagpapatayan natin dito? We will offer our lives, including the lives of our children, and to die for it, for something that is not even within our EEC. Ang gawin natin po para madali, i-give up natin yung KIG. Gawin natin po para madali, i-give up natin yung KIG. Gawin natin po para madali, i-give up natin yung KIG. Gawin natin po para madali, i-give up natin yung KIG. Then, mako-coordinate na natin lahat. But until and unless nandun yung KIG, wala nga po nasa labas po ng ating exclusive economic zone. Paano po malalagay sa entire West Philippine Sea? Hindi po ako pro-China kahit kailan. Ako po ay pro-Pilipinas at sa interes ng Pilipinas.
Eventually,
I wonder if the curriculum still includes Tomas Gloma. Are you familiar with Tomas Gloma?
Yes, sir.
And also res nullius, alam mo rin, di ba?
Sir.
Ito yung Latin word, which literally means belonging to no one, di ba? Tapos, pero sa batas, kung sino una nakadiscover at nag-occupy, yun ang inasyon na may mag-ari, di ba? So, yung Spratlys Island, di ba si Tomas Gloma yung nakadiscover nito? Tapos inoccupy niya. And this was formalized by the former president, the late President Marcos Sr., by way of a presidential decree. Natatanda mo ba yung presidential decree? 1596. No? Na kasi tinurn over na ni Tomas Gloma yung ownership sa Philippine government. Although, ang nag-govern pa rin yung international law, di ba? This was made formal by the arbitral ruling. Di ba? So, atin yung Kalayaan Island Group. And Pag-asa Island is a barangay of the Kalayaan Island Group Municipality of Palawan, province of Palawan. This is the only inhabited barangay in the Kalayaan Island Group, and it is ours. Yeah, just to end my interpellation, I'd like to congratulate you for responding very well to the questions of the Honorable Marcoleta. I think you deserve to be confirmed today, and even deserve to be promoted to one-star rank later. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you, Honorable Lacson.